Hi people, today we'd be enlightening you about the most difficult part in IELTS, which is the writing module, especially essays, task 2. In the essay, task response is very important and one needs to pay special attention to the points in response to the question. This in no way is intended to undermine the significance of other parameters like cohesion and coherence, grammatical range and accuracy, and lexical resource. The significance of topic-specific vocabulary need not be overemphasized. For example, let us take the word smell. While speaking or writing about the smell of a flower, the words fragrance or scent have to be used. Similarly, as far as food is concerned, the words flavor or aroma should be used.
Now, we would examine one of the most commonly asked topics for the IELTS essay, which is capital punishment. Let's look into question number 10 in our book IELTS and TOEFL Made Easy. The question is on page number 334. Capital punishment can be viewed as a valid punishment for crime. Do you agree or disagree? Unlike other examinations, the candidates of IELTS have the liberty either to agree or to disagree to the topic, which is, if I may say so, possible only in IELTS. What is more important is the arguments put forth by the candidate in a convincing and concise manner. In this particular question, say for instance, candidate A can argue that sending to the gallows should continue, and depending on the weight of the arguments, this candidate can definitely get a 7 band.
Likewise, candidate B can disagree and agree that death penalty should be stopped. In this case too, again, depending upon the task response and convincing ability, this candidate too can score a 7. Precisely what we intend to underscore and drive home is the fact that it is not what one writes, but the manner in which it is written is the secret of scoring good in the writing module.
Remember, to showcase the strength of the vocabulary, the word capital punishment can be substituted by many other words. For example, death sentence, sending to the gallows, electrocution, which is the method of execution used mostly in the USA. You can also use the word beheading, which is mostly used in the Gulf countries. Thank you so much for watching. A sub to our YouTube channel would be spectacular. Keep supporting us and stay tuned for more videos.